Hello people, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide apps on Android. First of all, go for your settings, then go for at the bottom and you can find an app lock option here. Then you can see there is a hidden apps option here. Tap on it and you can see there is all of your apps here. You can just tap on in the slider, turn on this and you can hide this one, and you can search for any kind of app of your phone, then you can hide this also. So yeah, now it's two are hidden. So guys, this is how you can hide apps on Android. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.